Everything around us is changing. The leaves are putting on a show before they fall to the ground. The temperature is dropping. The nights are growing longer. I have always found myself reluctant to this change, as beautiful as it is, because I know what it means is right around the corner, winter. I have always struggled to like fall and winter because of the cold and darkness, but maybe I just need to decide to find the joy in them. And so it is time to finally start embracing the seasons.
We have a few more things that have to get done on the homestead before it gets too cold. We need to harvest the rest of the food from the garden. We need to winterize the garden, and we need to feed the fruit trees before it gets too cold. So hopefully we can get it done. Alright, we are off to harvest what is left of the peppers and tomatoes, everything in the hoop house. We kind of let it go, it just got busy, so I don't know what's in there, and probably looks like a jungle, but hopefully there'll be something to harvest. It just happens to be a really hot day today, and we just have to get this done. It's 80 some degrees outside, which means it's really hot in the hoop house, but we are just going to try to get it done as fast as we can and get as many peppers as we can. I think that went really well. We got more food than I was expecting, and that is just so exciting because we definitely have neglected inside the hoop house. But I think the garden can be pretty forgiving sometimes, and our MO for this season anyway was to plant more than we needed, and then if life got busy, it was okay because we still got some food. Bedding method in our chicken coop, which means twice a year we clean it out in the fall and the spring. So we are due to clean it out, and when we do, we take all of the chicken poo and shavings and put them around our fruit trees, and that gives the trees fertilizer enough to grow through the entire season. Love doing that, so I don't have to worry about whether the fruit trees are getting enough fertilizer or not, because I just know because we fed them in the fall.
You know what they say, never let a good pile of leaves go to waste, and we definitely didn't. And then we made another pile and didn't let that one go to waste, and we let quite a few piles not be wasted. But now it's finally time to get back to business and load this stuff in the wheelbarrow and get it over to the garden so we can finish winterizing. Well, maybe we weren't quite done having fun.
One of the really nice things about homesteading is that it forces you outside more. And usually when you get outside, you start to feel better. I saw this quote recently that said, "If you choose not to find joy in the snow, you will have less joy in your life, but the same amount of snow." Winter is coming, whether I like it or not, so I might as well enjoy it and embrace it and find the joy in it.